Baby bird, are you sleeping? Yes. So where are you sleeping? Where? Where are you sleeping? Are you sleeping in a nest? In a nest? Yes. Ah. Are you happy? Are you sad? Oh, are you angry? Are you bored? Bored. It means that you are not happy and you don't want to do something. You don't want to do anything. Do you understand? Do you understand, baby? Oh, how many mommy birds here? How many mommy birds here? Huh? No, just one. You are a mommy bird? No. So who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Ah, baby birds. Wow. What do you like? Baby bird, what do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? Ah, you like to eat chip chip? And what does a baby bird say? A baby bird say meow meow. No. What does a baby bird say? Oh, chip chip. So what does a cat say? What does a cat say? Baby bird, are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Huh? Okay, now you say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I love you.